day with the V. If you saw the last couple episodes, you know exactly what's going on. If you saw the most recent, we just put a cam in this, the DMS Shigon cam. And I'm currently in the process of putting this harmonic balancer on. Now I got the insert tool already threaded in. I got it pressed a little bit of the way on there, but I don't have a ridiculous socket to run that in, so I need my crescent wrench. But unfortunately, my crescent wrench is in my Escalade, and B took the Escalade to work. So instead of finishing that up, I'm going to work on the top here. I also put my new lifters and lifter trays in. I've already done basic cleanup. Make sure everything's good for the head gaskets here. I want to make sure I have plenty of room for my headers. So instead of putting the heads on right now, I'm going to drop the headers in place so it's easier to play with when it's already down in the hole instead of having to force it in and out of there. But if you look, I still have my exhaust connected where I cut the cat on this side. So I'm going to jack up the back of the car here, and I'm going to remove the rest of my exhaust. Ow. Oops. Out of the way now, yay. Well, there you go, guys. If you're curious about my exhaust system before I started all this, there it is. If you like the rumble or how it sounded before, you can replicate this pretty easy. Stock headers, stock cats, muffler delete with whatever the hell kind of bend they put in this. I don't know why they did that. There's nothing that was clearing back there. It was just up. Oh well. But yeah, with the diagonal tips, you gotta love that. I never understood why they did that either, but boom. Here's my headers. I'm gonna slap these in place there. Just kind of just lay them in there. They gave me extra gaskets with this. I don't know. I've never bought headers before this first time, so I don't know if it normally comes with this, but I got extra stuff. I like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna put these in place. Yeah, these are way lighter than the other ones. Huh. Well, maybe. I'm gonna need 2 hands here. Okay, never mind. This is not going in like that. I'm gonna have to remove the steering rack. I need to look that up though, because I've never removed a steering, or not the rack, but the steering linkage. Just that little column linkage thing. I think you just undo the one bolt and kind of shove it down and then out of the way. And as long as I don't turn the steering wheel, it should be okay to just go right back in there. But I'm gonna double check.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today
someone parked their big ass red rig in my driveway. Who the hell is you?
Hell yeah, brother.
Okay. Oh, hello. Okay.
We're currently caving in the Widowmaker 3000.
Oh God, baby girl.
4 families have died in here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna need your help, brother. You hear the America outside? Oh, is this a good test to see if my mic's good or not? Okay, both side headers are in, and we got the head gaskets on for this side now, and we're gonna throw the head on one at a time. You ready?
As you know, just torqued the heads. Everything is good. I was getting ready to put the headers on. I started looking around. I was like, wait a second. It looks a little fishy here. This line right here is supposed to come straight across to a fitting out of here for a, it's like a coolant line. Well, if you look, it's got a screw in point and a block out on this one. If you look on the other side, you got two open holes, screw in point and an open hole. I ain't no rocket scientist, but I think that means I may have put the heads in backwards. What can I say? Mechanic. I'm such an idiot. Something for you guys to look out for if you are doing this, because obviously I was worried about that, and when I was looking it up and whatnot, the heads are universal. They can go either way, but in this case, it looks maybe not. All right, ladies, did some research. I do very much have to take the freaking heads back off and flip them around. They say they're universal, they're not. It's because of the steam ports on the front. They got to connect a freaking line from the radiator up to the front, and the others get block offs. They are universal if they're drilled properly, like drilled in that manner. They're not gonna be, ever, unless you like custom order that. I'm gonna spare you the footage of that. I'm still gonna do the harmonic balancer right now. Get that hoe on, and hopefully I don't f this up. Everything's a headache. I just want to drive my car. Will you stop spinning, please? I'm gonna have to figure something out there. Yeah, dude, I really don't know. Don't do that. Don't do that. If you got a way to like lock your flywheel, do it. Do that. I'm just over it. That was a very, very stupid thing I just did, but it worked. I got it on there just enough. A couple extra threads, I guess. It's on. Now I'm going to have to figure out the whole, how am I going to hold it while I torque it kind of thing, because this thing's got a pretty monster torque. That's 130. 180. Oh my God. 215. Almost there. Oh, not quite. Whew. Slip past the ear. Oh, it's a good thing I work out. My God. that was brutal. Not like a little one arm 235. All right, so with that, I'm just gonna start zipping everything back on the front here. Okay, where are we at here? Just like so. Okay, guys, final push. This is it. Tonight's the night. And I'm going to start push rods and rockers. Rock them all in, torque them. I'm not going to do the whole crank over individually. I've seen back and forth stuff on that. I'm just going to torque them. It's fine. They'll be all right. Check this out, guys. Check out the new color on the supercharger lid. Now we're in the garage, so maybe it won't do its justice here, but that's black chrome. She is pretty shiny in the sunlight. Figured I'd give it a little something different under the hood here. This, the valve covers, and the strut brace are all this black chrome. Now, I did mess up and forgot to tell him that I didn't want this top plate freaking done, so I'm probably gonna have to take this off, blast it, and get it back to that regular polished looks. I think that'd be pretty freaking awesome. But I mean, we're rocking it as is for now. I got the valve covers prepped and ready. Bear with me here. This next sequence is gonna go by super fast because I've obviously done videos before of the removal. It's the same thing coming back on. So minimal recording, just wrenching, just getting to it. So we'll do quick jumps here. Before I put these valve covers on though, I am going to install my spark plugs. So it's a little easier. If you remember from previous videos, how much of a pain in the ass it is to fit these meat mittens down in there. So any extra room can help. So here we go. All right, let's get all this junk out of the way so I don't be crushing stuff. I forgot how heavy this is. Okay, put you over there. Okay, next is the lid. Sick. That looks cool. Okay, guys, there's been a little development, or rather a regression. The blower's back off, and Chase is here. I had to call on the big guns. Yeah, this fool brought all the goodies for my blunder. If you look here, if you're wondering why the blower's off, I've snapped a bolt for this vent. The steam port, if you will. These guys are here to save the day.
Shavings end up in the intake.
Hey man, that's why I plugged them. I thought ahead, see? I'm learning. Yeah, that would have been nice.
I'll just drill it right into your brand new head. That'll work.
That's fine. Just walking on in there.
Lost in the orbit.
All right, so some things have happened. This guy's getting after it with the drill. So we were able to extract the old fastener that was stuck in there. Half of it, anyway. So it still has half of it stuck in there. So now we're just drilling it all the way through. We're upsizing the hole. Yes.
Well, it would have fit if AutoZone had specialty bolts. But
Yes. We upsized it to an M7. Couldn't find an M7 bolt anywhere, especially this time of night.
what, 10 o'clock?
Yeah. So we're like, screw it. Bring on the M8. That's a nice new hole. The V's new head needed to be gaped a little.
Well used.
Well used, yep. Fucking wallering it out before she even fires.
I think these are nice bits. Christ.
Don't scratch
Oh, Jesus Christ.
If somebody had a vice in here, it'd be like, these are, oh yeah. Goddamn fingers off.
All right, well, she's together. We're finishing up, buttoning it up, plugging everything in. My tuner's asleep, and I haven't got the file yet. So hopefully we can start this thing first thing in the morning. But unfortunately, you guys are gonna have to wait for the next one. I hate to do it to you, but not really. Sub if you want to see it. Hit the bell. You'll come back.
The last time I'm coming here.
That did turn into a big ordeal, but yeah, that was fun. I mean, it's together. First engine build in the books, kinda. I mean, we can't really write it off until it's running, I guess, but yeah, we'll see. But anyway, if you made it this far, thank you. And I was serious about the sub thing, do it.
Or else.
Or else.
That one didn't break.
Probably because you did it and I didn't. That's it for this one. Sub to this fool. Vanish from Customs.
Allegedly.
I'll put a thing up on the screen. Yeah, that's it. Come to the next one if you want to hear this thing chop or blow up. It'll be cool either way.
I'll put rocks in there.
I hope you smiled.